Hello everyone, welcome to Krystallos. Today we're going to begin with a deep breathing exercise. Go ahead and make your way to the center of your mat in a standing position with your feet together, toes and ankles touching. Arms by your side, backs of your hands facing the front of the room. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. And inhale your arms straight up, suck in your stomach, reaching up. And exhale your arms back to your side, making a loud ha sound. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, reaching up. And exhale. Release. Second set, this time making full circles with your arms on your exhales. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale your arms straight up, suck in your stomach. Then exhale, make full circles with your arms, release your head, neck back. Flip your hands, tuck your chin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale all the way up, reaching up. And exhale. Release. Go ahead and make your way to your mat, lying on your back with your feet towards the front, head towards the back in Shavasana. We start lying on the floor in this class. Getting ready for our leg lift series. Engage both your quads, flexing your toes back towards your face. Engage your right leg 2 inches off the mat. And inhale, lift your right leg up towards the ceiling without bending your knee. All the way up. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your right leg back down, hovering 2 inches off the mat and hold. Inhale, lift, keeping your core engaged. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, legs straight, press your lower spine into the mat. Exhale, lower. Last one, inhale, slowly lift all the way up. Exhale, lower your right leg back down, hovering 2 inches for the last 3, 2, 1. Release your right leg to the mat, keeping your toes flexed back towards your face. Engage your left leg 2 inches off the mat. Inhale, slowly begin to lift your left leg up towards the ceiling without bending your knee. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your left leg back down, hovering 2 inches off the mat and hold. Inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Lifting as high as you can, keeping your legs straight. Exhale, lower. Last one. Inhale, lift your left leg all the way up. Exhale, slowly begin to lower it back down, hovering 2 inches off the mat for the last 3, 2, 1. Release your left leg to the mat. Still keeping your toes flexed back towards your face. Bring your right foot 2 inches off the mat towards the corner of your mat. And inhale, slowly begin to lift your right leg up towards the ceiling, keeping your legs straight. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your right leg back to the corner of your mat, hovering 2 inches. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Hover 2 inches. Inhale, lift, working your inner thigh. Exhale, lower. Last one. Inhale, slowly lift all the way up, legs straight. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your right leg back to the corner of your mat, hovering here for the last 3, 2, 1. Release your right leg back down to the mat. Engage your left leg 2 inches off the mat, bring it out to the corner. And inhale, slowly begin to lift your left leg up towards the ceiling, keeping your leg straight and strong. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your left leg back down to the corner of your mat, hovering 2 inches, and hold. Inhale, lift, keeping your core engaged. Exhale, lower. Hover. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Last one, inhale, slowly lift all the way up. And exhale, slowly begin to lower it back down to the corner, hovering 2 inches for the last 3, 2, 1. Release your left leg. Lift your right leg up 2 inches. Bring it all the way out to the side. Inhale, lift it back in line with your body. And exhale, slowly begin to lower it back down, hovering 2 inches, and hold. Out to the side. Up. Back down, hover. Out to the side. Bring it up, working your inner thigh, core engaged. Back down, hover. Out to the side. Up. Lower and hover. Last one. Bring it out to the side. Up. Back down to center, hovering here for the last 3, 2, 1. Release your right leg, keeping your toes flexed back. Engage your left leg 2 inches off the mat. Bring it out to the side, far off the left side of your mat. Inhale, lift your leg up, back in line with your body. Exhale, slowly begin to lower, back down, hovering 2 inches. Out to the side. Bring your left leg up. Slowly begin to lower, hover. Out to the side. Up. Slowly lower. Out to the side. Up. Slowly lower, hover. Last one. Bring it out to the side, keeping your legs straight. Bring it all the way up, working your inner thigh. Slowly begin to lower your left leg back down to the mat, hovering here for the last 3, 2, 1. Release your left leg to the mat. Still keeping your toes flexed back towards your face. Bring your arms to your side, press your palms firmly in the mat. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest, lifting your shoulders off the mat, getting ready for double leg lifts. Engage your core and slowly begin to lift both legs up towards the ceiling, keeping your core engaged, not using momentum. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your legs back down to the mat, hovering 2 inches. Inhale, lift slowly all the way up, keeping your shoulders lifted. Exhale, slowly begin to lower back down and hover. Last one, inhale, slowly lift all the way up, legs straight and strong. Exhale, slowly begin to lower both legs back down, hovering here for the last 5, 4, 3. Lift your chest and shoulders up. 2, 1, 0. Release, lying back in Shavasana. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Getting ready for our bridge series. Bending up at your knees, placing your heels as close to your glutes as possible. Bring your arms by your side, pressed into the mat. With your knees hip width distance. Inhale, lift your hips up high towards the ceiling, as high as you can go. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your hips back down, hovering 2 inches off the mat, and hold. Inhale, lift your hips. Exhale, lower back down, hover 2 inches. Inhale, lift your hips, lifting up as high as you can go. Exhale, slowly begin to lower, hover. Inhale, lift, pressing up to your max here. Last one. Exhale, slowly begin to lower your hips. Back down, hover 2 inches. Bring your feet together, separating your knees as wide as they can. And inhale, slowly begin to lift your hips up towards the ceiling, keeping your core engaged, working on your inner thigh and your quads. Exhale, lower your hips back down, hovering 2 inches. Inhale, lift, lifting your hips as high as you can go. Exhale, lower, lowering your hips, hover 2 inches. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Last one, inhale, lift your hips, high up into the air. Exhale, slowly begin to lower and hover. Separate your knees and separate your feet and bring your knees together. Inhale, lift your hips up high up into the air. Exhale, slowly begin to lower, hover 2 inches. Inhale, lift your hips. Exhale, lower and hover. Inhale, lift your hips, keeping your knees together. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Last one. Exhale, lower and hover, holding here. Bring your left foot to the center of your mat and lengthen up through your right leg, pointing your toes up towards the ceiling, keeping your legs straight and strong. Inhale, lift, lifting your hips up high up into the air. And exhale, lower, hover your hips 2 inches. Inhale, lift, keeping your right leg straight and strong, toes pointed to the ceiling. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, going to your max. Exhale, lower. Last one on this side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower, back down, hover 2 inches. Bring your right leg back down to the mat and shift your right leg to the center of your mat, lengthening up through your left leg, pointing your toes up towards the ceiling, keeping your legs straight and strong. Inhale, lift your hips up towards the ceiling using the strength of your right quad. Exhale, lower down, hover 2 inches. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, lifting up. Exhale, lower. Last one. Inhale, lift, keeping your left leg straight and strong. Exhale, slowly begin to lower. Hover 2 inches and hold, bringing your left leg back down to the mat. Separating your knees, or separating your feet and knees, sit hip width distance, back to regular bridge. Inhale, lift your hips up as high as you can go. If you'd like, you can come up high into all 10 toes and interlace all 10 fingers underneath your spine. Lifting up, pressing up to your max for the last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly begin to lower your glutes back down to the mat, extending your legs out, lying in Shavasana. For strong wind holds, bend up at your knees with your feet, with your legs at a 90-degree angle. Place your hands on top of your thighs and actively lift your thighs into your palms, engaging your core. Back off. Pull. Back off. Pull. Back off. Extend your legs back out, lying in Shavasana.